For the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your web browser. After you open up your web browser, come to this search engine right here and type in the font. Then go ahead and hit enter, and in a few seconds it's take you to this particular web page right here. Go ahead and click on the first result right here. Now you are here in the official web page of the font free font. So here you can get as many as possible fonts of your choice. You can come to the top right here and search font by category. Let's say I want something like under the choice section. So you have all available fonts in the choice section. So if you do not like any of the fonts right here, I'm going to get on the modern options right here. So if you do not like this as well, then go on and check on different types of fonts right here. So I'm going to go ahead and check on this. So I do not like this also. I'll go back here and check on this. I'm going to go ahead and simply download this particular one right here, the retro font. So for you to download, first thing first, come to the download button right here. Go ahead and hit on download, and this is going to pop up. It's going to be downloaded as a WinRAR zip file. Go ahead and hit on save right here. Successfully download right here. So you can download as many as possible. Just like so, after we have successfully downloaded the fonts from the web page, next thing we want to do is to go ahead and minimize our web page right here and see how we can install and use this font in our CorelDraw 2025. And for that, what we want to do first is to create a new file folder. And for that, make sure we right click on the environment right here. Go ahead and click on new. Then go to folder. Then come down below right here. We name it font and hit enter. Next thing we want to do here is to go ahead and open a folder to get access to our download folder. For that, I'm going to open up this particular folder right here. Then I will go ahead and make sure I navigate to my download folder. Then we have the font right here that we just download, the retro font right here. Next thing we want to do is to right click on the font. Then we go ahead and click on extract all. This window here is going to come up. Go ahead and click on browse. Then next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on desktop. Select your font folder file. Select folder. Then the folder has been selected right here. Come down below right here and click on extract. And in a few seconds, it's going to be successfully extracted into the font file folder. So we have the font details right here. README, which is the license of the font, JPEG of the font, and the font file. This is what we are interested in, the font file right here. So for us to install the fonts and use it in our CorelDraw, so we click on the font. This is going to come up. Install, and in a few seconds, the font is going to be successfully installed. After the font are successfully installed, go ahead and bring out your CorelDraw right here. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new page. So go ahead and click on new document. Then I'm going to choose a template right here. So I'll simply go ahead and create a landscape. Then I'll hit on OK. So after I successfully create a new page, I will go ahead and navigate to my type tool. And the next thing I'm going to do is to click on here and make a type. The retro demo. That's the name of the font. Next thing I'm going to do is to press Ctrl A to select everything. I can come to the top right here, increase the font size. So I can adjust the font size to something like this. Now we want to make use of the font. Now we have to come here and then search for the name of the font, the retro. So just like so, we have the font right here. So the retro font demo, I'm going to select on it just like so. Now we have the font right here in our CorelDraw. We can do anything with the font. We can change the color. We can change the font size. We can do anything as far as the font is concerned. So if we come back to our web page right here, you have the name of the font right here, the retro font, which has been successfully downloaded and installed into our CorelDraw. It's that simple. So this is how to install custom font in your CorelDraw 2025. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your CorelDraw software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace out.